Good morning to everyone. This is Ritesh Kumar from Kendra Vidyalaya number 1 Gaya, and my project name is ecoSprout system, which is sustainable hydroponic farming with IoT integration and innovative, eco-friendly and automated. This is a smart solution for future agriculture in the urban societies. Now, introduction about my project is that this is a next generation solution to maximize the crop yield. And problem is that due to rapid urbanization in our society, that traditional farming is not able to feed all due to decreasing land and threatened food production security. Traditional farming also faces various issues like water shortage and soil depletion. Now, this ecoSprout system is the solution for these all problems. My ecoSprout system involves various features. If we talk about the features, the first comes the hydroponics system, which is soilless farming in which plants grow water. That's supported by a coco pit. And this can save the 90% of water as compared to traditional farming. There is no need of chemical fertilizer and all. And I am using PVC, I am using bamboo instead of the PVC. And if we talk about the second feature is that automation, and my automation comes to control the temperature. When the temperature is more than 29 degrees Celsius, the fan will start, and when the temperature is less than 26 degrees Celsius, the heater will start. And this can be controlled by IoT based and manual based also. And if we talk about the IoT control and the monitoring, this is, can be controlled through internet from any part of the world. Just we need to connect my project from internet and my device from internet. This can be also, we can monitor the graph of the rising temperatures and downs. We can control the temperature physical from IoT and the physical mode both. And we can also automate, turn on the auto mode and manual mode from the internet. If we talk about the vermiwash, which is same as vermicomposting, which gives solid fertilizer, but this vermiwash gives liquid fertilizer, which is which will transfer into the hydroponic system that gives nutrition to the plant and make our plant healthy. And this vermiwash is a pure organic liquid fertilizer. And that last is pisciculture in the goat farm, in which I am using the goat farm, that the goat dunks are used in the vermiwash, where the earthworm feeds on the goat dunks, and we can also sell the milks and earn money. And in pisciculture, we know that the water is nitrogen rich, which can be used in the hydroponic system to make plant more healthier and benefit. Now, if we integrate all that, the waste from the goat enrich the vermiwash, enrich the hydroponic plants, hydroponic sort is refilled by the water that in the pond, and earthworm feeds on the goat dunks, and automation control and efficient. And this is a working video. It's technical parts. Here I am implementing a DHT sensor and a DC motor. This is using as a fan, and this LED is using I am using it as reader. And there is I have implemented auto mode in this auto mode and manual mode. If you turn off the auto mode, now see, I will talk about the auto mode later, but now see the manual mode, how I am controlling with this lever. See, take the full in one place. Fan on, fan off, light on, light off, light on, light off. Now I am going to explain its auto mode. Here I have turned on the auto mode, and the light will be glowing. This white light is glowing because I set the specific value. If the temperature is less than 26 degrees Celsius, the heater will on. And if the temperature rises above than 26 degrees Celsius, the heater will off, the LED will off. And when the temperature goes above than 29 degrees Celsius, the fan will start. Now let's see that its auto mode, how it's working. So here I am using magic sticks to increase the temperature of this environment. I have seen on this temperature how the temperature is rising, and I have connected live monitoring is there. See the rising temperature 23 and 50 degrees Celsius, 23 and 70, 24.20. 25. See, it reaches 26 and 50. That's why the LED off. When it's crossed the 29 degrees Celsius, the fan will start automatically because auto mode is turned on. See, it's 29 degrees Celsius. The fan started. Now I have also implemented if the temperature crossed 35 degrees Celsius, the buzzer will start buzz. Let's see if the temperature goes more than 25 degrees Celsius. Either I need to increase some more. Yeah, but I am not available. If you have any help.
लाइटर का इंतजाम किया जा सकता है।
See, it's called 35 degrees Celsius, the buzzer start buzzing in this automatic. And in this automatic, I have turned on automatic stand on, and the LED is stop, because heater is stop, there is no need of it. If I mistakenly turn on the LED, see, LED is automatically off. It's also control make our mistake correct our mistakes. See, or you can also hear live temperature monitoring. You can see the live temperature of this environment. You can see the live humidity of this environment. You can also control this system. I am using physical lever as also, and you can also control from here. See, if you turned off the auto mode, now you can control manually. See the take the in full frame. Fan on. See, fan on. Fan off. Fan off. LED on. LED on. LED off. Off. You can also turn on auto mode from here. See, auto mode on, that's the temperature is greater than 29 degrees Celsius, it's 38 degrees Celsius, that's why the fan is automatically on. Let's see if I turned on auto mode from manually from this lever. See, look here, the auto mode will automatically on if I turn from here. Have a look here. I will don't touch the button. See auto mode on. I have not touched it, but automatically on because due to this physical lever. This is the technical part, and now I will. Now if we talk about the eco-friendly design, that's my system is to eco-friendly. In hydroponic system I am using bamboo instead of any PVC pipes, and the hydroponic cups I am not using any plastic. It is organic biodegradable cup which is made from the cocoa peat and glue, and in vermivash it is organic liquid fertilizer. And if we talk about the goat farm and the fish tank, which is made from the waste newspaper. And now benefit how this system benefit. This system is a perfect solution for urban homes, roofs and the schools or communities to save 90% of water than the traditional farming. This is soilless and the pesticides free, and use vertical space so you can produce large amount of food, and produces fresh organic vegetables at home, reduce the plastic pollution because I am using bamboo. Now I feel about the last conclusion is that urban are facing the farming spaces issues, and this ecoSprout system gives the through integrated all the features, gives a smart solution for all, and this is a too sustainable and eco-friendly material that is so productive and useful for us. And conclusion is that it will support the food security and gives green life, creates a smart, sustainable and zero waste farming system. Thank you.